I'm going to show you how to make your first $10,000 through anime editing. You might be wondering, is it really possible to make money from editing anime clips? Absolutely. I'm living proof, and I've earned over $30,000 in just 1 year from creating anime edits. That breaks down to about $2,500 monthly. I've made this video just the right length to show you 2 proven monetization strategies. All that's left for you to do is to copy the steps. Plus, I'll introduce you to the AI-powered tools I use to streamline the entire process, many of which you can start using without spending a dollar. Let's begin with step 1, finding and downloading anime clips. Your journey starts with gathering high-quality source material. We're looking for anime clips specifically created for editing. Browse YouTube for anime clips featuring dynamic camera movements and powerful action sequences that will form the foundation of your edits. When you've found the perfect clips, we will use DupDub's video downloader. While there are numerous downloading tools available, many are unreliable and work randomly. I've used DupDub video downloader for 3 years now without any issues. For my workflow, I want something that's quick and efficient. Also, too many video downloader software requires you to download the application on your PC. I hate those because there may be hidden malware, which is why I recommend you using an online video downloader that's trustworthy. Moving on to step 2, I'm going to demonstrate how to transcribe and use successful video scripts that have already been proven to go viral. You have to learn this technique if you want to make money with anime editing, because you are not always going to know about every anime you are editing for. Sometimes an anime goes viral and you want to catch on the trend quickly, but you have not watched it. So what do? How do you make a good edit without having a clue what the anime is about? The answer is to copy what's working. And I've spent 2 years perfecting this process to make it work every single time. My approach involves selecting trending anime clips that are generating buzz. This is crucial. You don't want to pick an anime that's dead. Use Google Trends to identify popular anime series, or if you're confident about an existing fan base on YouTube, you can skip this research phase. Once you've chosen your anime series, start searching YouTube for videos with strong engagement. My rule is to go for videos with at least 15,000 views. Once you have the video we want to replicate, we will use DupDub's AI transcription feature to convert the video into text to get the script. From my experience, DupDub's transcription provides exceptionally clean and accurate results compared to alternatives. You'll need to experience it yourself to appreciate the difference. This transcription method gives you a solid starting point since you're working with content that's already proven successful. Someone else has already validated that the script works with viewers who enjoy that anime. However, I'm not going to recommend direct copying. If you copy the original script word for word, you will be flagged for copyright issues or get no views because YouTube views it as unoriginal content. Here's how I solve this issue. I use DupDub's AI writing tool to automatically rewrite the transcript into a fresh, unique script that matches my personal voice. This AI tool is smartly integrated with the transcription feature to help you create new original scripts you can customize. For step 3, I'll give you the trick to what makes your video human without having to show your face. The way to do this is to add an engaging voiceover that fits your anime edit. However, I've moved away from time-consuming voice recording sessions. Maybe it's just me, but it's simply not efficient. For 3 years now, I've relied on AI voiceovers across all platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I believe I'm not doing too bad with AI voiceover, and the results speak for themselves. My videos consistently average 50,000 views, and viewers respond positively with their comments. For voiceovers, I rely on DupDub's AI voiceover feature. I know there are many options available for AI voiceover like 11 Labs, which is pretty popular, and I tried using it too. However, my biggest issue with some of the voices I wanted to use with 11 Labs is that they're uploaded by the community and can be removed anytime. This will leave me with no choice but to look for a new voice. I can't imagine building a channel for 3 years or even 10 videos in and having to break my brand and switch to a different voice. With that said, all voices on DupDub are made and owned by them. This means that the voices stay permanently, which is perfect for my YouTube automation business in the long term. Let me show you my voice workflow now. Once you're in the voiceover studio in DupDub, you'll have access to a large premium collection of 700 voice styles perfect for anime edits. Simply select your preferred voice. Input your script and you'll receive your voiceover instantly. Those are the pre-made voiceovers, which are really high quality. But I particularly enjoy having the option to create custom voices to brand my videos and channel differently. So let's take a look at the voice clone feature. Using voice cloning, you can clone any character's voice for your video voiceover. Just provide a YouTube link to the voice of the character you want to clone, and you'll have a custom clone voice for consistent branding across your edits. Let's go to step 4, where we will focus on the editing process. With your clips, script, and voiceover prepared, it's time to edit. While you have various options like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro for Mac users, these can be challenging for beginners. There's going to be a learning curve to pick up any of the advanced video editing software. However, you can find plenty of tutorials on YouTube that will teach you how to use them. If you want to get started as quickly as possible without learning another software now, I recommend trying DupDub's video editor to see if it fits your needs. It's a simple editor with a really intuitive interface for beginners. And the second reason why you may want to use it is that their editor can be used online without downloads. Just start by uploading your anime clips. Arrange them in the timeline, then add transitions, music, text overlays, and finishing touches. Once everything looks right, hit export. Alright, now we are at step 5. I'll show you what to do after completing your first anime edit. I noticed that many creators feel lost at this stage, but I always tell them the key after producing their work is to build an audience. You have to start sharing your work across multiple platforms. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are my tried and tested platforms to make money. But don't overlook platforms like Snapchat or Facebook too. Surprisingly, my anime edits have found huge success on Facebook. Let me share a personal tip. I dedicate about 40% of my time to creating eye-catching thumbnails and titles. I want you to think like your viewer. If you were watching such a video, what would make you click? Test different intros and trending scenes. Thumbnails make a huge difference. Once you have your first taste of success with thumbnails, you can never go back. So, let me show you how I do it. Creating effective thumbnails requires high-quality, attention-grabbing images. Stock images are typically ineffective. I use AI to generate images for my thumbnails. Because DupDub is made as a one-stop solution for faceless automation workflow, they've also included an AI image generation feature. I use their image generator to create one-of-a-kind images without copyright concerns. Try prompts like Yuji from Jujutsu Kaisen. You can customize image parameters such as selecting 9:16 ratios for YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Having all these features eliminates the need for multiple tools. I love keeping your workflow as simple as possible. So what about monetization? Once you've built an audience, several income streams become available to you. First, target getting into YouTube's partner program. After reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads. While longer videos typically generate higher RPM, I suggest creating at least 30 shorts before transitioning to longer content. If you're posting on TikTok too, consider TikTok's creator reward program as well. Another lucrative option is doing commission work. This is my secret to having multiple income streams and not being dependent on any one source of income. I've generated $30,000 through Fiverr and Upwork last year. As your following grows, you can expect more requests from fans and businesses asking if you can produce custom edits for them. So focus on creating more high-quality work so that these customers can find you. I will let you in on some of my upcoming plans. I'm currently exploring additional revenue streams like selling my editing packages and project files. I'm also thinking about building an exclusive community for aspiring creators who want to build monetizable faceless channels. And there's more, but I realize there's much more to cover in detail. As a reward for watching this far and demonstrating your commitment to start making money from anime edits, I've prepared comprehensive free resources for faceless creators like yourself. These include the latest strategies, templates, and formulas to accelerate your growth and income potential. You can access everything for free through the link in the description. That's it for today's video. If you found value in this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. All links to the tools and resources are available in the description below. Until next time.